NASA invested over $10 billion into the James Webb Space Telescope, aiming to give humanity a window into the universe's earliest moments. If all goes as planned, we may soon see the cosmos as it existed just after the Big Bang. Already, the telescope has delivered breathtaking images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and planetary systems. But its latest findings have stunned scientists and prompted NASA to issue a red alert, signaling a profound shift in our understanding of the universe. For decades, astronomers have relied on models and theories to chart the evolution of the cosmos. These frameworks suggested a manageable timeline for galaxy formation and cosmic structure. Yet Webb's data reveals a universe far more complex, vast, and intricate than previously imagined. Galaxies thought to be tiny and immature in the early universe appear fully formed, massive, and surprisingly bright. These discoveries suggest that the universe evolved faster and on a larger scale than existing theories predicted. The implications are staggering. If galaxies were already developed so soon after the Big Bang, either our timeline of cosmic evolution is incomplete, or the mechanisms behind star and galaxy formation are far more efficient than we thought. These revelations force scientists to reconsider fundamental assumptions about physics itself. The apparent density and scale of galaxies in Webb's images challenge our understanding of how matter coalesced in the early universe and raise questions about the role of dark matter and dark energy in shaping cosmic structures. Webb's ability to detect infrared light allows it to peer through cosmic dust, revealing details invisible to earlier telescopes. Spirals, clusters, and even proto-galaxies appear with unprecedented clarity. Their maturity suggests that the processes governing the early universe are more advanced than expected, and that the universe's first stars may have ignited sooner and more vigorously than previously thought. This extraordinary insight offers a glimpse into forces at work in the primordial cosmos, hinting at connections between cosmology and particle physics that could one day help unify quantum mechanics with our understanding of the universe at its largest scales. Beyond physics, these discoveries have profound implications for the search for life. The sheer abundance of galaxies increases the likelihood of habitable planets. Each galaxy potentially contains billions of stars, many with their own planetary systems. If life can emerge naturally under the right conditions, then the universe is far from empty. Webb's instruments are capable of analyzing the atmospheres of distant worlds, searching for signs of water, methane, oxygen, or other chemical indicators of life. Even faint hints of biological activity would transform our understanding of humanity's place in the cosmos. The philosophical and cultural impact of these findings cannot be overstated. For centuries, humanity has grappled with its place in the universe, gradually moving from a geocentric worldview to the recognition that Earth is a small planet in a vast, seemingly endless expanse. Webb's discoveries push this perspective even further. The universe is not only immense, it is unimaginably intricate and creative, filled with countless worlds, galaxies, and cosmic structures, many of which may remain beyond our reach for now. For scientists, the red alert issued by NASA is a call to action. Cosmologists, astronomers, and physicists worldwide are collaborating to analyze Webb's data, question assumptions, and revise models that have stood for decades. The telescope's revelations compel us to reconsider the timeline of cosmic inflation, the formation of stars, and the behavior of dark matter and dark energy. Each image, each data point, challenges us to rethink the architecture of the cosmos and the very nature of reality. Time itself is a crucial element in Webb's discoveries. The light reaching the telescope today began its journey billions of years ago, allowing us to look back into the universe's past. Webb is more than a telescope, it is a time machine, capturing the evolution of galaxies, stars, and planetary systems in epochs we could previously only imagine. This temporal perspective forces us to question the origins of the universe and whether our current models of the Big Bang fully capture its earliest phases. Some theorists even speculate about hidden cycles or earlier epochs that predate what we have considered the beginning of everything. The scale of these discoveries is matched by the diversity Webb reveals. From rocky exoplanets orbiting red dwarf stars to massive gas giants close to their suns, the variety of worlds is staggering. Each system challenges our assumptions about planet formation and the conditions necessary to support life. Combined with the sheer number of galaxies observed, this suggests that the universe is not only vast but infinitely creative, producing an array of environments beyond human comprehension. Ultimately, the James Webb Space Telescope has done more than capture stunning images. It has opened a new era of exploration, one in which humanity must grapple with the complexity, scale, and beauty of the cosmos in ways never before possible. Each discovery, from massive early galaxies to distant planetary systems, invites us to rethink physics, philosophy, and our place in the universe. NASA's red alert is a signal that we are standing on the threshold of a scientific revolution, one that challenges everything we thought we knew and inspires us to imagine what might still lie beyond our reach. The universe, it seems, is far larger, older, and more dynamic than we could have ever imagined. And with the James Webb Space Telescope, the James Webb Space Telescope is more than a marvel of engineering. It is a testament to what humanity can achieve when curiosity, collaboration, and ambition unite. Its massive mirrors and ultra-cold instruments, carefully assembled by thousands of scientists and engineers over decades, now orbit in space, unlocking secrets of the universe that were previously beyond reach. The recent red alert from NASA is not a warning of danger, but a signal that the cosmos is far more complex and vast than we ever imagined, and that understanding it will demand creativity, perseverance, and an openness to entirely new ideas. One of the most striking implications of Webb's discoveries is the possibility of a multiverse. The telescope reveals a universe so immense that it stretches our imagination, prompting some cosmologists to consider that ours might be just one bubble among countless others, each governed by its own laws of physics. If that is the case, our existence is no longer an isolated miracle, but part of an infinite spectrum of cosmic possibilities. This idea reframes questions that have long fascinated humanity: why the universe is structured as it is, and how life emerged. It situates our place in a grander, almost unimaginable context, expanding the horizons of both science and philosophy. Yet, Webb's achievements are not purely theoretical. The telescope delivers images that are at once scientific data and breathtaking art. Galaxies, nebulae, and distant stars shimmer across its deep field captures, evoking awe, humility, and wonder. These images invite not just scientists, but everyone, to connect emotionally with the universe. They remind us that exploration is as much about meaning as it is about knowledge. Standing before these cosmic vistas, we are forced to confront both our smallness and our capacity for understanding, creativity, and imagination. The red alert also signals a profound shift in our approach to technology and exploration. Webb sets the stage for a new generation of observatories capable of probing even deeper into space and time. Future instruments may reveal Earth-like exoplanets in unprecedented detail or capture the faint light of the universe's first stars. Humanity is beginning to plan not just for observation, but for participation in the cosmos. Lunar bases, Martian settlements, and advanced propulsion concepts are no longer merely the stuff of science fiction. They are steps towards situating ourselves within the universe that Webb has revealed. The telescope inspires us to dream bigger and to consider interstellar exploration, perhaps centuries away, as a serious goal. Webb's discoveries also revolutionize education. Students will no longer study abstract models of galaxy formation. They will see real images of massive, ancient galaxies shining when the universe was just a fraction of its current age. Virtual reality and interactive simulations based on Webb's data will allow learners to navigate the cosmos, experiencing its scale and structure firsthand. Knowledge becomes immersive, sparking curiosity and encouraging the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers to continue humanity's journey into the stars. Philosophically, Webb forces us to reconsider our understanding of existence. The universe it reveals is structured, intricate, and potentially teeming with life. If life is common, civilizations may have risen billions of years before us, thriving in ways we can scarcely imagine. Even the most remote chances of encountering intelligent life gain significance in this vast cosmic tapestry. At the same time, the telescope reminds us of Earth's fragility. Our planet is a unique oasis in the immensity of space, and caring for it becomes not less important but infinitely more urgent. Webb's revelations transcend science. They inspire art, literature, and philosophy. They unify disciplines, showing that no single perspective can fully capture the universe's complexity. They democratize wonder, reaching people around the world and inviting everyone to share in humanity's greatest adventure. The telescope does more than answer questions, it expands them. We no longer ask simply how the universe began. We ask what deeper truths lie beyond our current understanding. We no longer wonder if there are other worlds. We ponder the infinite variety of worlds that may exist and how many could harbor life. Ultimately, the James Webb Space Telescope is about the expansion of human consciousness. It reminds us that while we are small, we are capable of immense curiosity and creativity. We are the universe observing itself, reaching across time to witness its own origins. The red alert is a call for all of humanity, to explore wisely, to cherish our fragile world, and to embrace the mysteries of the cosmos with courage and wonder. The telescope marks not the end, but the beginning of a new era of discovery, a journey that challenges our intellect, ignites our imagination, and inspires us to think bigger than ever before.